Let me tell you about the DJI Matrice 400. This isn't your average consumer drone. This is serious professional equipment built for demanding jobs that need power, reliability, and serious airtime. Right out of the gate, the flight time will blow you away. We're talking nearly an hour of continuous flight even while carrying equipment. That's 59 minutes to be exact when cruising at about 22 mph. And it's not slow either. This thing can move when it needs to, hitting speeds up to 56 mph, while still being able to spot and avoid obstacles. Now let's talk about what you can hang underneath this beast. The Matrice 400 can carry up to 13 pounds of gear. That's enough for multiple cameras, sensors, or specialized equipment all at once. You've got options to mount gear facing down in single or dual configurations, plus an extra connection point for even more flexibility. DJI makes some incredible payloads that work perfectly with this drone, like their H30 series camera that combines regular, zoom, thermal imaging, and laser rangefinding all in one unit. There's also high-end mapping cameras, powerful spotlights, loudspeakers, you name it. What really sets this apart from consumer drones is the brains and safety features. The obstacle detection system is next level. We're talking the ability to spot something as thin as power lines from a distance, even at night or in bad weather. It uses a combination of spinning lidar, millimeter wave radar, and special low light cameras to build a complete picture of its surroundings. This thing could practically fly through a spider web and know to duck. The controller is just as impressive, with a super bright screen you can see in sunlight and a transmission system that keeps you connected up to 25 miles away. There's even an option to use cellular networks as backup in areas with interference. And if you really need to push the range, you can actually use a second Matrice 400 as a relay station to extend your operational area. How cool is that? For industrial users, the automation features are where this drone really shines. It can follow power lines automatically while inspecting them, adjust its height to maintain perfect distance from the ground during mapping missions, and even land itself on moving ships, which is way harder than it sounds. The software package gives you tools for everything from 3D mapping to live augmented reality overlays that help operators understand what they're seeing. Durability. This isn't some fragile toy. The Matrice 400 is built to work in temperatures from 20 below zero up to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, through rain, dust, you name it. There's even an optional tether system that lets you plug directly into a power source for truly unlimited flight time when you need it. For businesses that rely on aerial data, the Matrice 400 is basically a flying Swiss Army knife. Whether you're inspecting wind turbines, mapping construction sites, assisting emergency responders, or monitoring pipelines, this drone brings professional-grade capabilities that just weren't available to most organizations until now. Sure, it's a serious investment, but for companies where aerial data drives decisions, the Matrice 400 pays for itself in capabilities alone.